It's another amazing day. You're welcome to the biggest show in the continent right now, MS Live with your boy Mac Mo10. There's the show that we have insightful conversation with your favorite artists pertaining to show business. You can follow us on every single platform, MS24GH, hashtag MS Live. And I have my first guest in the studio. This guy is a prolific rapper when it comes to giving us good music. He's one of the finest and he goes by the name Yaw
Yes,
Tog.
sir.
Brother man, Bibi Abokodie.
I like the way you're welcoming me with tree. Me who you pa
Charlie,
now
Miss your
so.
Kumasi boy.
For real?
Kumasi boy.
Yes,
Baby,
sir.
I'm a guy with um Silver FM
Okay.
2021.
Okay.
Yeah, now we'll be promoting
Tiny.
Sorry Remis.
Yeah.
Yeah, you came with your brother-in-law and
Yeah.
this guy, what's his name?
Bones.
Portfolio.
For real?
Yeah.
Okay.
To make Kai with your Charlie.
I see that.
I
Big
remember
respect.
you.
What's
Charlie,
What's
Vim. Charlie, I just said 2021 is been like a long journey.
Yeah.
And you are doing your possible best to put Ghanaian music on the map, especially when it comes to drill music.
Yep.
How has the journey been for you?
I would say I've been enjoying it, but it has been a great one, ups and downs and a whole lot. As a creative person, you know how creative people we go through stuff and that. So it has been a big roller coaster, but I can say we are still here,
Charlie,
bringing good music and stuff.
Yeah. So what are some of the toughest moments you have gone through and how did you handle it?
I would say, man, there's a whole lot, man. From moving from one distro to being independent and putting things together as a label to called
Okay.
it has been something crazy for me, but at the end of the day I'm still here, as I said, and I really thank God for giving me all those
Okay.
motivation and energy to actually go through the
Okay.
stuff and react carefully.
Okay. So talk, as you said, there has been high moment, down moment, highs and lows,
Yeah.
obstacles that you have to fight through.
Yeah.
What has been the driving force for you?
I feel like it's still the hunger, It's
Okay.
it's still the creative thing that I really want to do, It's still that spotlight I can see that nobody sees,
Okay.
That's the thing that has been keeping me on my toes. Just trying to go. I feel like I can do it, and man, I feel like I can really go to the top. You
Okay.
see that when you have this mindset of doing something and you are actually into it, deep into it, it's very hard to actually divert.
True.
So man, that has been the journey for me. Just focusing and doing what I love.
Okay. That's very beautiful. I love that.
Appreciate
And
it.
you started this at the age of 17 years.
Yeah, correct.
During that time, how were you able to maneuver, find your way to handle social media through? And you feel like some Ghanaians were mounting pressure on you and being unfair to you when it comes to social media?
I feel like for social media, everybody knows that Yaw Tog has been that one guy that everybody was coming to, when it comes to saying a whole lot. And I've been in several situations when it comes to X, Instagram,
Okay.
TikTok and stuff. But I took at some point I took it personal, because I was like, why are these people doing this to me? But I realized that this is the game, and there are the people pushing you.
Yeah.
People don't like to talk about good stuff. People like to talk about the bad stuff, even in politics,
It's true.
When you appear as MP or something, the other opponent goes for your things that you have done bad, just to give it to you and that. But man, that's the game. I can't
Yeah,
really
it
say
is what it is,
yeah, I
bro.
can't really
It is
say a
what it
whole
is.
lot about it, but that's the game.
Okay. I want us to get into your catalog. Let's
Yeah.
start with My Time. That was your debut EP with 7 songs, and you
Yeah.
have one of the biggest hits on
Yeah.
that record. Sorry,
Yeah.
on that record you
Yeah.
had Sorry Remix with
Yeah.
Stormzy and Kwesiata.
Kwesiata.
First, let's talk about that record.
Yeah.
One of the biggest songs
Biggest
to drop that year,
ever.
2021.
Yeah.
Can you run us through the creative process, making that song, the
Mm.
original version, and how did you link up with Stormzy and Kwesiata for the remix?
So for Sorry, the original version was how did this thing happen? I think it was this feeling that I was having. You see, at that time the movement was up everywhere, people
Yes.
going crazy. Now I was like, why don't I write something that to let the whole people know that this is our time and we're actually on top. So Sorry was something to represent Kumasi and represent the music scene. Sorry. So as I said, the creative process wasn't that crazy, because I had to represent my people and I had to get the right words from my people, and I got it too. So, and when it comes to the remix, uh, I think for getting Stormzy on the project, it was a miracle thing. I didn't go and choose Stormzy, but he chose me. He chose my
Okay.
record, because it was two songs. It was me and what's the name? Dead People. What
Okay.
time, yeah? Now, yeah, that's what they
Okay.
told me when I went to the meeting. They were like, "Yo,
Okay.
two songs. Stormzy says he wants yours." I was
Wow.
like, "Let's
Wow.
roll with
Wow.
it."
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
Wow.
from there, I told my team I need Kwesi on it too. They got Kwesi. We started rolling out.
Okay.
They came to
There's one thing I
Kumasi.
want to ask. Since you started this movement with us, Cowboys.
Yeah.
Okay. So why didn't you pitch to Stormzy that Stormzy? Okay, this is my brothers. I started
Yeah.
this whole movement with.
Yeah.
So why don't I put them on the record? I mean, that's a way of you two paying back to them. Don't you
Okay.
think so?
So for this question, I haven't answered it before, right? So when we were about to release Sorry, when we were working on Sorry, we I gave them the proposal that, yo, listen, the original version we were like 5 people, and now we have 2 people on board for the remix. I would be glad if I get 2 people on it to
Okay.
actually support.
From the Asaka team.
Yes.
So which people
So
came in
for
mind,
me, I
pop in your
think it
mind?
was I chose Okeneton. Is it J Bad?
Okay.
Yes, but the proposal wasn't accepted, and I can't
Oh,
force
oh,
them.
oh, 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 oh.
Do,
But what was the reason behind not accepting the proposal?
I don't know though. I don't know, cause you see, the original we were like 5 people,
Yeah.
and with other 2 people joining, we are 7. How? Basically, then share
Yeah. Charlie
royalties, and
Munina. True,
it was
true, true,
stressful.
true.
So I was just trying my best to get them, just to show appreciation. But at the end of the day, it was declined. So I didn't really wanted to, you know,
Okay.
I said, me how man, I
One,
said I'm
yeah, baby,
rushing
sir.
them and
Yeah,
stuff. But,
true.
but it's all good, man.
But I hope you are still cool with them.
I haven't met them, so I haven't seen their reaction
Okay.
and stuff. So
But I know bad blood,
no bad blood.
Charlie. I hope you guys come together because you rep the city, you rep Kumasi. I'm a Kumasi boy, so Charlie, I want all of you guys to come together, all hands on deck, and give us good music. That's all that we need.
That's
brother.
true though. Like I feel like it's part of the culture.
Yeah.
You can even see now. Sarkodie and Shatawale,
Well, yeah.
they are now on stage performing and stuff, man. Way back they were going crazy, giving these songs to each
Yeah,
other.
for
But
real,
now
for
see
real.
how it is. So I feel like it's part of the game. It shouldn't be something that we should be more worried about. Because at the end of the day, it will still go back to how it is.
Yeah.
So man, you guys should just enjoy good
For
music
real, for real.
at the
Today we're
moment.
just going to sprinkle everything, small, small.
No problem.
Let's move to your debut album, from debut EP to debut album, Young
Yep.
and Mature, 12 songs. You have Sarkodie on
Yeah.
one of your record.
Yeah, Can't
What's it-
Stop.
Can't Stop. Okay.
Yeah.
What's the inspiration behind that song? And how did you connect with Sarkodie?
Okay, so for the Can't Stop song, at that time, right, at that moment, I was living my old deal with Empire.
Okay.
That was when I was living Empire, and that was my last project. And it was so lot going on at that time, within and outside. So when I went to studio one time, and my producer started playing me that trap beat, and I was like, yo, I really like this song, like this beat, so let me do something on it. So initially I like to finish my songs. I like to do full songs. I like to finish my creative process and everything, do one full song, then I listen to it. So one day my road manager hit me. I was like, yo, check Sarkodie.
Okay.
I don't know what happened behind the scene. So I texted him. I was like, Big G, everything cool. I have this project coming on. I have a song for you. And it's like, send it to me. And that was it. I sent it to him. The next day, I got my verse back,
Okay.
and that was it.
That was too fast.
Yeah, I mean, they see how we go hard on our project,
Yeah,
so
for
they
real.
also support each and every day, and
Okay.
that's love.
Okay. And let's talk about the video for Can't Stop.
Yeah.
Where was the video shot?
Where was it? Is it Money 3? Yeah, Money 3.
Okay.
I think it's at Spinters.
Okay.
Yeah, we shot it there. He pulled up, man, gave me some advice on
Yeah.
how to go around the business, and man, I
Okay,
really
okay,
appreciate
okay.
it.
And it is at the back of your mind.
Yeah, man.
Yeah.
I'm still with it out here.
Okay, okay,
Yeah.
that's very cool. Let's get straight into your Song for More EP, which is Talk City.
Talk City.
Why that title? Why Talk City?
Cause Talk City. Yeah, cause Talk
I don't
City, man.
person chichu krana.
Yeah, it's a Kunani actually. It's like Talk City, you know, like
Okay,
it's very personal. So I've they created it in a way that you coming into my world, you
okay,
know. So anytime that you are listening to that project, know that you're in my world.
okay,
So that's how the name came up. And big shouts to my executive producer. He's in Germany, Coco.
okay,
Big shouts to C Panther, you know. So we had that idea
okay,
and we started rolling out on it.
okay. You know, music. I always say music is food for thought to feed the soul.
Yep.
And what message were you expressing on that project?
For Toxicity, man, I want you see, Yaw Tog has never ever voiced out like on a song about things that worrying him and stuff.
Okay.
If you have really checked, so this project I really wanted to let you guys know some personal stuff, and I don't really like to talk the things, you know, tell people, Charlie, this is worrying me, this is
Okay.
that, you know. I'm that chill person that I
Okay.
don't really talk, but for me to actually sit down and write, you know, my worries and stuff,
Yeah.
and put it in one package and
Yeah.
let you guys listen to it, then it means this project
It means
means
a
a
lot
lot
to you.
to me. So you guys should just go and check it out, man. It's
Okay.
fire.
And being vulnerable is not a bad thing. It's a sign of growth.
Yeah.
Yeah, you being matured, you facing your fears and stuff. So
Yeah.
it's never bad being vulnerable on music or on projects. That's why I really love Drake, because he's vulnerable on the things
Yeah.
that he says. It's easy for him to express himself on records, and that's cool then. And you have some of the biggest songs
Yeah.
on the record. Let's talk about Miracle
Yes,
with
sir.
Stoneboy One
Yeah,
God.
General.
First.
Yeah, my General.
What's your relationship with Stoneboy,
Yeah.
and what motivated you? What was the drive getting Stoneboy on that record?
So for Stone, big shouts to him. That's my senior bro,
Okay.
you know. For Stone, how I got Stone wasn't something that I had to stress about, and for Stone it came to me, you know.
Okay.
It's not something that I had to go look for him.
So it was a calling.
Yeah, like for Stone, I had to see Stone in my dream before getting to meet him.
Hey, Charlie.
Yeah, like I don't know how serious people take me when I say that, but it's very serious. Like I really saw him in my dream with different big artists, you know. So when I came back to Ghana, I was just manifesting it, you know, that
Okay.
yo, I've seen Stone in my dream. Man, I really need his verse then.
Okay.
Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So from there, I started manifesting. 2 days later, after a show, Chief, the manager, texted like, "Yo, Stone wants you on his projects rather." So all this, I was thinking if I get him on my project, you know, I'd be very happy. But when they texted, they were like, "Stone needs you on his project."
Okay.
So the next day, I had to come to Accra, go to his studio. We started working. It was around like 10 p.m. We started working, and boom, we did Susuka on his
Okay.
Torture EP, and I gave him my track, The Miracle. You know,
Okay.
I gave it to him the next day. He also sent it to me
Okay.
so fast, you know, and I really appreciate it, man.
Okay. So how is Stoneboy's work ethics?
So when he was recording The Miracle, I wasn't around, you
Okay.
know, because he had to go somewhere in the morning. But I feel like Stone is really working hard, man. Like, it's not easy to be independent and do all that Stone is
Okay.
doing. Because I'm independent,
Yeah.
you know, to shoot your videos, to go around a whole lot, you know, it's crazy, but and that's the goal, you know, for you to
Okay.
be able to go through all those phases. Then you have to know that you are really working.
Working. Okay.
You know, so Stone is actually like someone that I look up to when it
Okay.
comes to the work and the job. Man, like the energy he always brings up,
Okay.
man, it motivates me to also do the same,
Okay.
you know.
So talk. That means you found your own music, like everything, video, everything. You found it
Yeah,
yourself.
100. I did work, oh, I did perform, I did go. You go, now
Charlie-
don't go before. Yeah, man, like I really did work because I need that cash to shoot
Yeah,
my video.
you
I
need
can't,
the moolah,
yeah, I
Charlie.
can't go for loans and stuff.
Yeah,
I have
for
to,
real, for
since
real.
I have hit songs, I can perform and get money.
Okay.
You know, so that's the motive. That's, you know, that's the only way for
Okay.
me to get cash.
So since you are an independent artist,
Yeah.
what have you learned about the business side of music or showbiz?
I feel like as indie artists, right? You have to actually pour out whatever that comes to you, like anything, just for you to be on your game. If you get what I'm
Okay.
really saying, it's not about clout or whatever, but be yourself, and things will actually work for you
It will
as
fall in place.
as
Okay.
indie artists. Because some people with labels and stuff, man, the labels just make one call. Charlie, more for Mumbon your TV3, Mumbon your more,
Okay.
Mumbon your more Max, MX24
Four.
and stuff. But as indie, bro, you have to actually get that inside person to do
Okay.
all those things for you. Do you get what I'm saying? So,
So, Yaw Tog, I want you to give me one advantage and one disadvantage of being an independent. No, sorry, being under a record label.
so,
Advantage and disadvantage.
so for the advantage, right? They put you on this like spotlight. Everybody sees your work. Everybody, your numbers goes up when you drop YouTube. Cause there's a whole budget behind
Okay.
you. Do you get what I'm
There's
saying?
a force pushing your music.
Yeah, you have that big budget behind you that
Okay.
when you even drop something, they just put the money there and it shoots you. But as indie, you have to fund for yourself.
Self, yeah, true.
So when you're about to drop a project, you actually have to sit down and know how to get a bag to start your project.
Yeah, true.
So that's the advantage, and the disadvantage. Man, it's not easy, because after you doing a whole lot, with the label,
Yeah.
and maybe your budget is,
Yeah, true.
your budget is low, and you want to drop something different, and now you have to go to go
Yeah.
into a new contract and
Contract and
stuff,
yeah.
and you haven't even recruit to get back your old catalog, man.
Yeah, for real.
Stressful sometimes.
Yeah.
That's when artists start to lose their mind,
Yeah.
but it's still the game, man. Choose whatever you
Yeah,
want.
that's why there's a saying, whom much is given, much is expected.
Yep.
So yeah, so if much is given to you, much is expected
True.
from you. Yeah, for real. So let's talk about your record with Daco Vibes.
Ooh,
Yeah.
that's my favorite, one of my favorite.
Okay. So how did you connect with Daco Vibes on that record?
For this, we recorded this song just right behind this building around here.
Okay.
Yeah, I was just at my crib and I saw Daco coming where I was, like he was coming around. And I met him, I was like, yo, super now waha. That's how everything started.
Okay.
So we had our convo, it was like, Chalo studio. I was like, yeah, I'll see you right inside.
Inside.
So that was, I didn't call Daco that, oh, big bro, I have this or that. He just met me
Yeah.
straight to the studio, he gave me a verse.
Straight vibes.
That's
Okay.
it. So it wasn't something that I had to call, but he showed me real love, and I
Love,
really
okay.
appreciate Daco for that.
Okay. So who produced most of the songs on the project?
So for Empty Seat and Scary Money, a Sector made it. Big
Okay.
shouts to him. And for Sikane Ma, Mr. Henry from Kumasi, Won Komenkon, and what's it called? Questions is Candy Beat from Kumasi, and The Miracle and City Boys, Oggy.
Okay.
Big shouts to him.
I'm very curious. Sikanemba. Why that title? Why that song? Sikanemba. Charlie, I was so chill.
Because at the end of the day, Pesikani we are. So you know already,
Yeah.
man. Just to cool down and stuff. But Bema be a Pesikana,
And
Bema
yeah,
be a
yeah.
Superman.
And yeah, very,
Yeah.
very important.
Yeah.
Charlie. So what's your favorite song on Talk City?
I would say Empty Seat. I have 3.
Okay.
I mean, always my favorite, but I really have personal feelings to some,
Okay.
One is Empty Seats, Miracle,
Seat.
and City Boy.
City Boy.
And Scary Money too.
Okay. City
Yeah,
Boy.
City
This
Boy.
one, forgive us a little freestyle of City Boy.
Girl, I'm in love with your body, baby girl, man, yummy yard. Baby girl, man, yummy long ten. Baby girl, man, yummy senior. Me, I go sing any song for you, girl, anywhere, baby. Fly you everywhere we go, Paris. Gucci, Fendi, Nadia, and I will pay. Boom!
Boom.
Yes, sir.
Boom. Nice one. So those are your favorite songs.
Yep.
The project came out last week, Friday.
last week,
How
Friday.
has the reception been
Bro,
so far?
The numbers is, I was telling my DJ, I was like, yo, the numbers, they go up, oh.
Okay.
Each and every day, man, it's like boom, you get me, but I really appreciate you guys, especially Talk Nation and Beam Nation, you know.
Okay.
Man, the love is crazy. Big shout outs to Stone Boy, you know,
Okay.
man. I really appreciate the support the fan base is giving me, man. Yeah, and that's a real legend, you know.
Yeah, for real.
For me to
real.
actually feel that, yo, the fan base is really working
You're
to
loving
push
it.
this,
You're loving
man.
the
I
song.
appreciate them, man. I
Okay,
appreciate
okay.
them, yeah.
So let's talk about videos. How many videos do you plan to shoot for this project?
So this project, I have MTC shot already.
Okay.
I have Scary Money shot already. I have Miracle shot already. So I have three and
Video.
questions, four music videos
Videos.
out of
Okay.
7, and I'm planning to shoot the other songs too. So 4 is ready.
Okay. Okay.
It's
And
left with 3.
okay.
Yep.
And when do you plan to drop them?
We are still on the rollout. So
Okay.
for now, interviews and some short contents and stuff.
Yeah.
But the video will start rolling out
Okay.
very very soon.
Soon.
Yep.
Soon. Okay. Someone who grew up in Santase, how has it shaped your personality and your music career?
I'll say I'm still that guy, hungry for a whole lot of stuff, but this music thing will actually make you look some way for some people, but they'll be thinking otherwise, but they forgot you are that same old guy trying to
Okay.
make things happen. So they shouldn't forget the kid I was few years ago.
Okay.
I'm just trying to better myself. So it hasn't really grew a lot on me, but
Okay.
I'm still trying to be myself, not to crash out and do a whole lot, but still trying to be myself. Yeah.
Now you are a grown young man, 22-year-old man.
Yeah.
How are you handling the fame?
Man, I don't. Sometimes I even forget I'm a superstar, I'm a celebrity. I just want to live it cool and calm.
Okay.
I don't really let it get into my head, man.
Okay.
Yeah, I don't.
Okay.
I don't.
Nice one, my brother. Nice one. Nice having you.
Thank
in
you
the
very
studio.
much.
Talk City is out on all
Yes, sir.
streaming
Go
platforms,
check it out.
guys. Yeah, you can check it out and add to your playlist, bro. Nice having you on the show.
Thank you very
I go
much.
by the name Mac Moten. You can follow us on our socials, MS24GH, hashtag MS Life. Love conquest all. Catch you same time, same place. Peace. I'm out.